Unity forms are broken down into two categories: document forms and workflow forms. Document forms are stored in ONBASE as documents once they are submitted. Workflow forms are just a temporary carrier for data and are not stored as retrievable documents in ONBASE. A workflow form is an interface used to capture data and then store that data, for instance, in a keyword, property, or a workview object. The Display HTML Form Unity Form action was introduced in ONBASE 18 to provide another way to capture data during workflow. Before 18, you could choose to auto-generate a form or supply a custom-built HTML form. Now we have the ability to select Unity forms as well. In this workflow, we can update an applicant's information by way of a user form. Let's say we want to update this user form because we think the auto-generated form is too plain, but I don't know HTML code to build a new custom form. We select a document type to get access to keywords, but again, this form will not be stored as a document. I'll enter a template name and select a theme. And as a shortcut, I'll go ahead and add some keywords to this form and click OK. I'll edit this form layout and then publish it. Once the form has been published, it can be selected in the Form Type dropdown in Studio. Now let's test this out in the Unity client. Here is our same workflow, now using a workflow form in place of our auto-generated form.